Hey cheesecake lovers, let me show you a secret to a decadent cheesecake that looks like it came from a high-end bakery. Greetings, Sanbonani, and welcome. My name is CBO'S. Let's begin. Blitz shortbread biscuits or cookies in a food processor. Add melted butter and mix to form a sand-like crumbs. Put the crumbs in a spring foam tin to make a structure or a base. That's a shell of the cheesecake. Use a flat base of an object so that you can press down easily the crumbs to make this shape. Chill it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Then crumble the white chocolate and melt it. I am using a baking white chocolate. It's available at the supermarkets. Melt it in the microwave with 10 seconds increments, stirring in between. Once few blocks are left, stop melting it. In another bowl, place cream cheese. Followed by condensed milk. Then blend until they are smooth. A warm welcome to the new viewers. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Add the melted chocolate into the cream cheese bowl. Then follow by vanilla essence and blend until they are smooth. On another container, pour warm water and gelatin powder and mix them until they dissolve. Please check the description box for complete details on this recipe. The space is little to say everything on the video. If the gelatin doesn't dissolve easily, microwave it for 15 seconds at a time until it dissolves, stirring in between. Do not boil it, it will kill it. Once it's completely melted, mix the gelatin with cream cheese mixture. Add the whipping cream, or you may whisk it in a separate bowl, then fold it into the cream cheese bowl. Pour the cream cheese filling into the pan and shake it a few times, then set it in the fridge for 6 hours or overnight. Apologies for what I wrote there. Cover it with a cling wrap to avoid some smells from the fridge. Once it's set, carefully run a knife around the pan to set the cheesecake loose. Slowly open the pan and lift the side of the pan. If you don't take precaution, your cheesecake will be like my other cheesecake. Look at this. Let's garnish our cheesecake. In a container, pour whipping cream, followed by powdered sugar. If it's lumpy like mine, press it with a spoon. Beat the cream until it forms stiff peaks. Okay, I didn't reach the stiff peak. 1 or 2 more minutes would have done it. Put it in a piping bag for a beautiful presentation. Pipe the cream in designs that you love. Then you may top with strawberries or nuts or any type of fruit you love. This cheesecake is rich, luxurious, practically guaranteed to work. If this video gave you some value, please press the like button. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.